Welcome to this Red Points tutorial on how to report a scam on Telegram. Telegram has an official bot channel called No to Scam, which you can use to report any kind of scams discovered on the platform. 1. Open the Telegram app. You need to have a Telegram account in order to report any account or channel. 2. Go to the chat section and search for @NoToScamBot. The name of the bot is anti-scam, and it has a verified tick on it as well. 3. Start typing on the chat window by tagging the scammer account or channel and then explaining the reason behind the report. 4. Send the text and the Telegram team will review your report. You can also send an email to abuse@telegram.org explaining your case, adding as much information as possible. If the Telegram team finds that the user you are reporting is, in fact, violating the community rules, they will take the necessary actions. Let us know in the comments if you found this useful. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.